Hey everybody, it's me, John D. Villarreal, and today I'm going to talk about the new mattress from Purple Mattress called the Restore. This is the soft one. I'm very excited about this. I tried some of these Purple mattresses out before and I really was impressed. So I can't wait to see what this new technology does. There's been a change in some of the designs. They've really done some cool stuff with some of the padding, some of the gel technology, some of the grid and how they're doing the grid, and just some adjustments to make it feel better. I've never been on this one before. This is the soft Restore. So I'm going to try it right now. Let's see what this feels like. First of all, I like the look of it. I like the look of this top. That's kind of cool. You can see this new design here for this quilt. Now, okay, sitting on the edge, I can feel that grid. I can feel that grid gel, but you can see here, I can still tie my shoes. I still have that support right on the edge, and that's really nice. Now, I have to say that this video is not sponsored by Purple. These are my own true, honest opinions, and we've been allowed access to these beds to be able to test and review, which is what we're doing right now. So I like this. This is good. I mean, sometimes I feel like I want a soft mattress, and sometimes, wow. Okay, now this is cool. Now see, in terms of, if I were to give an analogy, if you understand the Purple mattress world, this kind of feels like a Purple Plus to me, because it gives you support, like I'm here, but it also gives you a little bit of softness here, a little bit of a sink to it. So it's kind of like you know, that mid-grade, if that makes sense. And this is good. What I do like about Purple is it's nice and cool, so I feel cool in here. Also, like, it doesn't, the grid helps me so I don't roll around a lot. That's kind of nice. So from a back sleeping perspective, like, I'm very comfortable here. Like, I can totally like chill out and go to sleep. Like, I like this. This is good. Now on the side, if I were to hit like a side sleeping, like, you could do that. I think that works too. I'm not really that much of a side sleeper, so it's hard to exactly, you know, say that. Now let me try to take my glasses off. If I were to turn over and do like I don't know, I've got my microphones on. Let's try to simulate this a little bit. If you were sleeping on your stomach, I think that works as well. This is a really good mattress. I like this a lot. I can see where they've made the improvements, because I think before it was a little bit more focused on the grid, and I think that's definitely there, but this feels like more of a fully evolved, luxurious bed, if that makes sense. It's a little bit more comes together all together, and I like this technology. I mean, this is gonna be hard because this is like, I'm gonna be testing on a lot of beds here. I don't wanna get my numbering off, but right now, this is the first new bed that I've tried and reviewed from Purple Mattress. I'm gonna say on a 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it 9.2. I think it's very solid. It could even be higher than that. I may have to revisit some of these grades, but I'm gonna say right now, this is a 9.2. This is the Restore Soft from Purple Mattress. Hey, that's my opinion. I'm John D. Villarreal. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.